Hello everyone, welcome Facebook family, welcome Instagram family. It's a beautiful, colorful morning here today at Neve office, and we are looking forward to this beautiful session. Sorry we are a couple of minutes late, but it's all about colors and beautiful bandhni dupattas today. Those are our absolute best sellers. They always have been. And of course, you can see that we're all geared up for the celebration with the weeks that are coming ahead, which is all about Navratri and colors and everything. Good morning everyone, how are you all doing? It's a beautiful morning here in Mumbai, and we are ready with our vast range and collection of bandhni dupattas. And you saw a sneak peek yesterday, lots of queries about what are you guys going to come up with, looking at this. But yes, now you see it all here, and these lives are for you guys to see all our pieces in real light. So whatever you see, it's all natural light that you're seeing. And yes, so today is about some fabrics which will go with these beautiful, colorful bandhni dupattas, but it's mostly about these kind of gorgeous bandhni dupattas. I'm going to just show you a bit more with all of that color. What you see, this is our decor for today. All of these are some beautiful laces that we have in the background, and of course with all of the color, what I'm wearing is a champagne chinia silk. Good morning everyone, good morning. It's a champagne chinia silk fabric. That's the idea, that no matter what the colors and how much color you have, this kurta, this I find it extremely reliable. I can wear this and it will take me through many pieces. Similarly for you, if you guys want to have such pieces in your wardrobe, it's a must, because you can wear a beautiful red like this, and this is the first piece in fact that we're going to be starting out with. You could wear this color, you could wear any of these colors, and every so you can join wherever you feel it's better. Let me just pin down the number. I'm just going to pin down the number today. I don't have the text ready. 93240 38084. Sorry guys, one sec. Here is the number. I've just pinned it down. Pin comment, here it is. So that's the number on Facebook, on Instagram, where you can place your order for these. Every single piece is an exclusive piece. For these beautiful pieces, you can place your order on these two numbers. We're going to start out with this. This is an absolute stunning masterpiece. You guys have been seeing it, me wearing it for since we started. But look at this, look at this beauty right here. Look at the meenakari, look at the detailing and the bandhni. So this is the best. It's a bandhni style dupatta with Banarsi weaving, and that also the best kinds, which is with meenakari. So all of that, 28,800 for this absolutely stunning piece. Now this red, you cannot have enough of it. It's a very deep red, which makes it perfect for weddings, for festivities, and just because you feel like wearing red. I love this shade of red. It's a very deep dark color. Look at it up and close. I'm going to just show it to you, and then I'm going to go further and start showing you all the beautiful colors in this. So let me show you the second color that we have in it first before we show you anything else, and it's a hot pink. So all of what you're going to see today are single pieces. If there is something that you really like, I would suggest that you can just kind of WhatsApp on this number. But yes, you can WhatsApp any of your final pieces. You can ask for the payment link, and and there you go, and place your order. So look at this. This is the second one. Now this is this piece, the one that you've seen. This is this bird design, these peacock design with bandhani. So you see that, and that you also see the bandhani being done on it. These are the special knot ones, all in pure georgette. So this is all heavy pure georgette, but they look wonderful if you just look at me. I'm going to just tuck it in here just to show you that if you're going to be wearing this, look at this, me here, and you tuck it here, it will be wonderful on a lehenga. Absolutely wonderful. All these figures and detailing coming right here. Look at this here. And each each of these can be draped in different styles. So you can wear it here, you can just wear it straight, you can of course wear it like on any suit and just wear it. Because it's georgette, it flows just beautifully. It will just have its natural fall and feel, and that's what's beautiful about georgette. And yes, of course, it's a bonus, it's bandhni. And so yes, our theme was about, of course, Navratri this time. And I just find that the colors, the beautiful colors, and a range of colors, and everyone wearing their chanya, and how everyone looks forward to it no matter wherever you are in India. So that's what's beautiful. And of course, I know that bandhnis are very much loved by everyone, lots of our international clients outside India as well. So this is your touch of Indianness, your touch of color, and your touch of magic, absolute magic. Look at this detailing right here, all of these figures, the bandhni. This is a deep shade of purple. So the range that we are right now on, it's 28,800 for the lengths. Now if you want to know the lengths of these, you can just check with the team on the lengths. I do have the lengths. Now you'll see that the pasting has been done here for this beautiful piece. What will be added are 4 big tassels at the corner, and that's already included. So this is 28,800 with this kind of finishing. And the first two that you will see, they will also have this kind of finishing. The pasting will be done. They'll have big dressy tassels, with them. And look at this. So you can now, of course, wear it with any of these colors that you can see. Now look at it. I'm just going to show you the fall. It just falls, it's incredible how it will naturally sit. Now you wear it tucked in like this, you wear it straight, it's totally up to you. And look at this, all are here, this, and a touch of yellow. So you could of course combine it with the fabric which is in yellow in color, and it would be nice. You can see that touch of red. So many combinations possible with these fabrics. You can wear many different combinations with this. The next one is all about gold. Look at it, here it is. This is an unusual color with these gold buttas, and this is all about the flowers and the minute bandhnis which have been so expertly just put in these boxes. The price range, the first one that you saw, the first two ones, this one, the purple one that you saw, currently we are on the 28,800 range. We have many different range, 11,800, 16,800, and there will be many different range that you guys will be seeing today. This one, this is a different, unusual shade of brown. I love the color, and you wear it with the gold, and just look at the look. It's really dressy. It's very unusual for a bandhni, and it's very understated. So yes, when you say all of these colors and you see an understated look, it has to look nice. So this is one piece, and look at it here. Let me just show it to you in detail. The tassels, the 4 at the corner are included. They will be beautiful tassels matching it. In case you do not want it, then you can let us know. And furthermore, if you want heavier tassels, the ones which are handmade all across like this here, then you can let us know. Those are at some extra charges, and you can check with the team. So all of this today, just carry it like this, flaunt it around, wear it in many different ways. And another classic, which is this red and this design. This is that bright festival red. I just love wearing this color with a gold. Look at this here. So you can wear it with gold. It is an absolute match. You can of course wear it with any of these colors right here, and that would also look incredible. So whether you're planning to wear it as a double sari for a wedding, and I'm going to take out this kara. I think this is the story of every wedding. We wear all of that jewelry, and then yes, so because of course these are all handmade pieces, so it's bound to happen. Anyways, look at this. Here it is, this red one. The finishing will be done, and it's included 28,800 for this stunning piece. Let me just show it to you from here, right here. Look at the fall, the colors. Here it is. I do have some fabrics which I'm going to show you, and probably now okay, just give me a bit. Let me just finish with this 28,800 range, and I'm going to show you some incredible Banarsi fabrics today. So look at this. This is again a deep shade of purple with all of this color. Let me just pause here and show this to you. Here it is. Here. So this beautiful piece now, it would, this is all about colors and the kind of look that you would like to create. You can create many different looks with these dupattas. You could make it very cool and calm, doing it with a gold and off-white. You could do it very, bright and bold. You can do this. You could do embroidery on these dupattas, embellishments. It looks amazing. If you're going to be doing embellishments, and this one is a perfect one. Georgette is a very good fabric to carry all of that handwork. So yes, absolutely, I would definitely always say that go for a handwork. If you're going to go for a handwork and get it done, it would look really nice. Look at it, all this detailing. So you can really make this match it. So a lot of times we have a request that I have a lehenga and I'm looking for a dupatta. Now these dupattas, they work incredibly well. There are lots of colors, so they match well. You could then get some matching embroidery on them. It would be good. So many looks can be created. I'm going to show you some fabrics, some Georgette fabrics which will work with many of these. So this is a hot pink. Look at it. It's a pure Georgette, 3,800. And with this, the color that I want to show you is this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful Sona Rupa in white. How pretty is it? How flowy is it? And look at it, how it's going. Yeah. Now this, you see this, of course, you see all the color, and then you see, oh wow, white. But it is that beautiful. This, it's a fabric with Sona Rupa on it in pure Georgette, also dyeable. So you can, of course, kind of dye it in any color, wear it in this color as is, because you will see that, of course, these are very beautiful as dupattas themselves, very light, but yes, they will be very dreamy, very nice as lehengas, as dresses, as shararas. You could do all of that. So look at this white color, just incredible, the colors. And dyeable, you match it with any of what you see. That's, you can do that. And other colors that we have, of course, is a black in Georgette. A lot of you asking us for fabrics, and you'll see with all of that brightness how these bold colors just stand out. So this is a pure Georgette in pure Georgette in gold buta. So all of this buta is gold, and these are 3,800 per meter. Now two colors, and the red, you cannot miss a red, because this red I could kind of wear it with this. Look at this combination. So if you're looking for something really, here it is, green and a red, it's always a classic. Now this one again has a Sona Rupa. Thank you guys, thank you. This is pure Georgette, 3,800. Kurta, let's show you that how this would be as a kurta. Look at this. This is a kurta. You wear a nice pant with it, or you make a sharara, do a plain Georgette. So we can, matching this, give you plain Georgette. So 2,100 per meter, we could give you plain Georgette in any of these colors that I'm showing you. And then you could just wear it, as this as a kurta, that as a pant, or vice versa. Whatever look you guys want to create. Two other fun colors as a combination, and they are very different when you see them separately. This is a very light shade, it's a very dark shade, sorry, of gray, and it's a deep dark color. Here it is. Look at this color. This one is it's a fun color. I would love to pair it up, and I'm going to do that in just a bit. This, look at this color. It's a very fun color with any of these Georgette dupattas. The first thing, I'm just going to show you whatever I get to lay my eyes on first, and this dupatta. Look at this dupatta and this combination. So if you're in a mood of a dandiya, or you're going to sangeet and all of that, then this one's for you guys. It's so bright, it's so perky, It's a wonderful as a combination, but these are all ensemble, which means that you can buy them together. You can also buy them separately. And now, look at this. Here it is. One, I think, let's see this. This one, let's see the range, and then I can tell you all about it. One piece here, and look at the storytelling. I'm going to show it to you up and close. Here it is. Look at the border. Look at the work, the lotus, the parrots, everything so incredible, so clear, so beautiful. And that's the magic of weaving, guys. It's incredible, you know, that the ability to make something like this. Thank you guys for appreciating this. Yeah, my team has worked hard on it. I'm glad you guys liked it. Here it is. So look at this beautiful red. It's just amazing with a red, and it has a pink, but just look at how it stands out. This is the border. The finishing will be done. The corner tassels will be done as a part of it. And this beautiful piece, 28,800 for it. You can match it with every attire that you like. Really, it's basically that versatile. It does match many outfits. And look at it. Here it is right here. So this 28,800 for this piece. And now we're going to be showing you some of the pieces. Now this one is an 18,800, and look at this green. And you know what, lots of questions that, you know, why would this be good? And I want to tell you, you know, no saris, guys, no saris. We specialize in dupattas, fabric, and suits. So if for anybody who's joined in today, you know, yes, that's the bit. We only specialize in that. Lots of queries to us day and night about saris, but guys, all in good time, not right now. So all of these are dupattas, all of this. Though what I'm wearing it, I'm just draping it like this. I wanted to show you how this helps, you know, this pasting, it helps because it just kind of places it really well, and you know, it's very easy to carry it. So look at this like this, or you wear it like this. This is a bandi in this bottle green. Look at it, how it settles down. It really kind of feels very easy to carry. That's the joy of having this. Yes, so yeah, new draping styles, we have to have it. We have to have it, right? All these incredible pieces need to be worn again and again, and in different styles, and you know, in different looks. So yes, you wrap it around like that, you wear it like this, you wear it straight up, you want to tuck it in, you do it, or you plait it up and, you know, wear it on like, you know, how you would wear a dhoti. So all of those amazing ways of wearing this piece. This one is 18,800. Let's show you the piece once again in this green. Here it is. Look at this. This bottle green, I think this is a single shade and single piece only probably today. Here it is. Let's go. Let's show you one more of this piece. Now this one may be a different one. Guys, I think all the pieces are mixed up a bit, just a bit, not too much, just a bit. But this one is, I think, another 28,800 piece, and look at it. I'm going to show you the border, the entire storytelling right there, the finesse, the detailing. Look at it right here. This one is, you know, 28,800. The finishing will be done, the pasting, the tassels, everything. You know, we keep it open a lot of time because we guys want to, and look at it, just the finesse of that and how these are actually made by hand. That's the pallu at the end. Here, this is what I'm showing you. I'm going to show it to you. This, all of this, you know, very fine bandhani right here. So this is, I think I showed a red in this when we started out, and now this hot pink color. So once we are done with this, you know, these videos, they're all posted on our page. So if, you know, if in case, you know, anyone was wondering, if you're new to these sessions, then they're all posted once it's done. So you can catch up on anything that you've missed in case you've joined in late. Look at this piece right here. And it's so light, it's so easy to use. And, you know, I would love, let's do that. Let's drape one of this very lightly. I keep saying it, I have very basic draping skills, but I just want to show you how easy it is even for somebody like me with very basic draping skills to do this. So I'm sure you guys with your incredible skills would be able to create something beautiful. Look at it, how it falls. This is how easily it pleats. And just imagine, you know, you're wearing it like this and you're tucking it like this. So, and you know, it's all possible. It really is, because if I can do it, everyone can. Now you can take plain silk. I'm wearing one, a champagne color. It's a signature color, the champagne color in plain chiniya. What you can do, you can take any of the colors. Now you could do a hot pink, you could do a yellow, you could do this color as your silk lehenga. So imagine you wear this as a silk lehenga and then you just drape this like this, or of course you can wear it straight. So plain silks can be done with any of these pieces that you have seen, all of these. So anyways, for the last time, 28,800, this single unique piece in hot pink, and it's really, really hot. So now with this, and there's this fabric that I did want to show you, and I'm going to mix it up all, guys, today. So yeah, so I'm going to mix it up a bit, not maybe too much, but yeah, all bandhnis and fabrics, but yes, the order may be a little here and there. So look at this flow, and this is 3,800 per meter. Now this one is suddenly a very pastel look, and if I would let's just show it you. Look at it, how it falls. You know, that's the beauty of Georgette. It just falls so beautifully. You know, I mean, a lot of you guys buying our Georgettes to make saris out of it, you know, or even drapes like this. But you know, wear it in some stylish tops or things like that. It looks amazing. Now, if I had to show you one combination, this is from my 11,000 range. I will be opening this piece maybe later, but I do want to show you. So you could take any of such colors, pair it up with this, and it would be amazing. It would be amazing. Many other colors would also match with it, but yes, I do want to show you this. And now there are two fabrics, and you know, the moment they came from our looms to us, and the only occasion I could think of releasing it was now. Look at this, these two fabrics, and they're incredible because of course they're all in pure silk, but look at the detailing here and look at the work here, and this is so much resham, little of zari, but you'll see how it stands out. I have two colors, and both of these, sorry, I have so many combinations lined up here, but I do want to show you both the colors in the fabric first, then I'll open it. And look at this, 3,800 for this. And you know, these are pure silk fabrics, and I want to show you the detailing. It's amazing. I am totally in love with these two fabrics. They are so, you know, just, there's so much color, but it's so subtle in certain ways. You can of course up it, down it, depending on how you want to wear it. And look at this, this is the first red one. It is soft, so lots of question about, is this a little thick? So look at this, this is with all of this weaving, yes, slightly, but which means it will have a great fall. Look at it have a great fall, which makes it perfect for anything with long pleats and things like that. Yes, it's a beautiful fabric, I agree. I'm totally loving it right now, this, you know, and especially in this season where, you know, you can even just make a very nice top and wear a skirt, short skirt with it, look really nice, and you know, a lot of fun. The other color, and of course I have dupattas to show you guys with this. I am going to be showing you that. So look at this, and very different colors, I'm going to just, yeah, so I'll just show you how it will fall on you. But look at the pleats, here it is, and I love the fall. You know, it has that very, look at this fall, look at this pleat coming here. This is how it will be, you know, if you wear a dress with that. Now let's show you how it would look once you make something. So it would come like this, so it would come horizontal like this. Yes, so this is how it's going to be if you wear a kurta out of it. Of course, because these are like, you know, there's a good width. I think it's almost 42 here. So when you make a lehenga out of it, it'll be like this. You will be, let's show you this. You will be wearing this like this, because the lehenga will be cut like this. So look at it here, and very rough again, but you see, this is how your lehenga would fall. It will come like this. Here it is, this one. Now time for some dupattas. If you guys like this, this is 3,800 per meter. Plain silks can be done with anything. This chinia silk is 1480 per meter. It can be done in any color that you have seen. It can be done in that. And now the combination that I have is, the first one is this. You know, if you're talking about colors and all of those things, then you cannot miss patola dupattas. This one is one such patola dupatta. And look at this combination. Just, you know, made by two completely different weavers, but we bring these two beauties to you as a combination. You know, that's how we see it, and that's how we bring it to you. And here it is. I love this combination. If you're going to wear it with some embellishment, and it's perfect for any wedding, any occasion that you have in mind. Of course, lots of people preparing for Diwali, so that's also there. And look at it here, right here. We ship worldwide, yes. So, you know, for anyone who wants to know, we do ship worldwide. We use DHL as a partner. All you need to guys do is take a payment link, and you know, it's at no extra charge. It's at no extra charge. You can take the payment link. It's a Stripe payment link, which is totally safe and secure, and you can use that and you can place your order. We will ship it to you. We do not have stitching. That's one question that we get very often asked, and we do not have stitching, but we are happy to ship it to your family in India, or you know, if you want to ship it to your boutique, we are very happy to do it. The dupattas and anything else, and of course if you guys have solution, then we can ship these very easily to you, you know, across the world. You know, wherever shipping is possible from India, we can send it. So look at this very flowy. This is a Banarsi patola with lots of meena. This Georgette dupatta, 22,800. It's incredible as a combination, but also works beautifully if you just want to wear it on, you know, on its own. Another one that I wanted to show you was this hot pink. So, you know, you want a little less blue, more pink, you know, just depending on the kind of combination that you're making, then this is also a wonderful combination with this hot pink color. And I'm going to just show you this. This is a hot color from a punk collection. And here, so this is one piece which I think does not, the last one in this, which are, you know, non-bandhni, but they had to be also a part of it because, you know, they just add to the color of today. You know, it's kind of incomplete if we don't show these options as well. So look at this pure Georgette, 22,800 with all of this detailing and everything that there is. Here it is. And now with the green, let's show you the green one, and let me show you some combinations that I have. I've dropped them all around, but I did want to show you. Guys, we also have the 11,800 range coming up. I'm going to show that to you, and a little more. So look at this. This combination with this, again, a punk dupatta. Punk dupatta is our figure designs, and it's beautiful as a combination because it just works perfectly. You know, pure Georgette has a great fall. This silk fabric has a great fall for you know, lehenga, so it would work very well. Here it is, this hot shade of green. So it's all about hotness, guys, today. So yeah, it is. You know, bandhni is that kind, you know, bandhni and Navratri is all that kind of time, you know, all puns intended, but here it is. So here it is, this pure Georgette, and yes, all about, you know, feeling cool, feeling sexy, feeling hot, and feeling, you know, incredible with these beautiful colors. Indian, you know, pieces, sustainable pieces, and, you know, all handmade from our weavers in Banaras. And of course, the bandhni for us is done in Kutch, but that's the best of two worlds, Banarsi weavers and Kutchi, you know, artisans working together. So yes, there you go. And if I did have one more combination to show with this, it was this, the other patola. So it's incredible that two patolas work very well with it. In fact, there was one which was more pink and this one which is more blue. And look at this combination. This is again in pure Georgette. Banarsi patola, 22,800. And you know, of course, you can take it separately because, guys, this is from the Neve Ensemble collection, which means that you can make them and take them as sets. But if you would prefer it to have it separately, then that's also an option. So yes, that is what our ensemble are all about. They're combinations which you can use as suit sets, which you can use as lehengas, but you can also get them separately and together. Such amazing detailing with these pieces. Look at it. Here it is. All fine detailing in this pure Georgette dupatta. The work is cut work. Let me show it to you let me show the back to you. I think we have done a few lesser backs today, but that's the thing about Nave. You see the front, but you also see the back. And that's, that's what we always want to show you, so that you guys have absolutely no doubt when you get your pieces of what you have in your hand. It is what you see is what you get. Okay guys, so let's do some of the pieces from the 11,800 range in Bandhani, because I know that many of you guys have been waiting for this range. And this piece, this is the first piece I'm going to show you. I'm going to try showing you all of these in open. 11,800 for this dupatta. And look at the color right there. All shades of green. So if this is what you're looking for, we're going to be having many shades. This one is the first one. The second is, yes, a pink. Now this one is, yes, let's see. This is a hot, it's a different shade of pink. Look at this. It's a little peach pink, but it's actually pink. So here it is. This one, this is also 11,800. These are, perfect, just as that pop of color in your outfit, and they're good in length. They're usually about 2.3 or so. You can just check. And this is one shade of purple that we have. Here it is, the shade of purple. Look at this piece right here. So these are, easy to wear. They're better off on suits but of course you can also wear it on lehenga. Doesn't mean that, but yes, but the length you can check. So if you guys are looking for super long ones, then you just need to check, because we get requests from all the way ki, we want very short dupattas, 2.25 to longer ones which are 2.6 plus. So we keep a range of them, different designs, different ones. This is all 11,800. Here you go. And let me show you two in one time this time. This is a sea green color. You guys saw a pop of this earlier. This is a shade of pink. Let's show this one to you. Here it is. So you'll see that these colors, a lot of questions ki kya exactly, what color is this? But you'll see that they have different looks, how they give a different, this is of course pink, and this is a dual shade. This is peach and this is pink. So here it is, and all of that zari and bandhani, and the tassels are done. So guys, that's the best part about them, that they're ready to be shipped. If you're looking to wear them anytime next week, then you can have it. In India, we the shipping is largely free above 5,000. It's free above 5,000. Below that, you can just check. It's a standard rate of 250 that we have. And the thing is that we use Blue Dart wherever it's possible. Here it is, lots of drape, lots of color. All of these dupattas, you could get it with a plain silk. So agar aap bole ki you want a plain silk with it, you can just have it. So you can get a plain silk of any color, but we don't have the colors ready. We do it on your order, but you tell us ki you wanted this color, we'll do it for you. We'll do it for you. And here it is. Look at this tassels right here. All bright colors. Yes, orange is trending, absolutely. This is a red and orange, and yes, I think it's one of a few oranges today. But guys, do not worry, we have many such colors coming up. Look at this. This is and all single unique pieces. So each one of these are single unique pieces. I always say, take your time to make up your mind. Of course, we want you guys to be sure of what you're buying. We don't want to hurry you up, but at the same time, they're all limited pieces. So yes, it's a great idea to pick them. Why we don't want to hurry you up really? Because we have a no return, no exchange policy, So, we want you guys to be sure of the choices that you've made. COD is available to verified contacts, done by Neve. It's 2% extra, but yes, we do have COD. So our team will verify you, because you know how it is with COD, right? But if you've been ordering from us, then there is no problem. But if you're new, you can still get it. Just you need to kind of get verified by the team, and then they will ship it to you wherever you are. Look at this, 2 dupattas. So this is the new thing, right? Ek dupatta kafi nahi hai. Maybe I should wear 2, but I love these 2 side by side, very similar colors in this peach. And look at this, 2 different design, each one as beautiful. You can wear it, pin it here or pin it at the back, and then just wear some kurta, and just you'll feel like it's a kaftan. So yes, anyways, so many ideas how to use it. I think I've seen some wonderful outstanding drapings and looks that you guys do. So many of you have been sharing it. It's amazing. And yes, which brings me to the fact that if you're wearing our pieces this festive season, this Navratri, do not forget to hashtag us. The team is going to be putting down the hashtag that you need to use. You have to use it, and show us your beautiful look. We'll be very happy to share your looks on our pages. You can of course just send it directly to us on WhatsApp or DM us, so the team will put down the hashtag to be used, and we will anyways be putting it out later in our post as well. So yes, wear it, flaunt it, and we would love to see it and share it, if you're only happy sharing it then. So this is I think one of the last pieces in the 11,800 range. Look at it, all this color. This is a hot pink color. This was the last one. Now I have 3 pieces. Look at it, look at the colors. Just look at the colors up and close for you in the 16,800 range. First, of course, okay, chalo, let's do this bubblegum pink first. Here it is. Look at this color, and this one has a karwa buta, so that's it. And of course I would love to wear some of these dupattas draped like this. It's amazing to just look at this. It feels incredible. Sometimes you want to wear it a little differently. These are perfect for it because they flow so easily. The width is very manageable, and you can wear it in many different ways. So this one is this bubblegum fluoro pink, very hot, with karwa buta, 16,800. The tassels are done. This is ready to be shaped. Even this one, let's check out this piece. This is a haldi color, a rarity in this season. But here it is, this beautiful, incredible piece. And look at this color, all here, right here. So this is also the 16,800 range. The tassels are done. The last one is this pink. Let's show you this one. Here it is. So this one has more bandi knots done all over it, but the karwa buta continues. So 3 options in the 16,800, all very easy to carry. They really are very easy to carry. Here it is, this one. And now let's show you some more, right? And I have this blue. Now this one is the 18,000 range. And this is one blue that I had. I do want to show it to you because this kind of deep blue, this is a very peacock blue kind of a color. And here it is. This one is 18,800 for this beautiful piece. Lots of pieces today, lots. So we started out with the 28,800. We have done 16,800. We have done 11,800, we have done 18,800, 22,800 for some patola dupattas. So lots of looks, lots of combinations. No pastels today. So yeah, we are not doing pastels today. We're all doing bright and bold colors. Yes, some fabrics which were a little lighter, you can kind of pair it up with that. But today is all about bright, beautiful colors. I'm going to take you through the last few pieces that we have. These are the, I think these are all, let's check the price one, the 15,800 range. Now again, they have Meena. They have a different kind of Meena work. The lengths you can check. This one is 2 shaded right here. And I have a couple of colors. Let me bring them here. And let me just show these to you. So look at this. This is a very Firosy color, if that's what you like. These work very well with golds, with pinks. Look at it, golds and pinks, and of course oranges. Orange, orange is the color of this season, and you bet guys, we're going to bring you a lot of it. So, and I almost forgot that this is our 99th live, guys. It's the 99th live, and yes, we are gearing up for our major celebration on the 100th live. It's going to be a small party. I hope you guys can join in, and it's going to be wonderful. So yes, so please join us for a 100th live on Tuesday. So yes, I think we put out something saying it was on Friday, but then we did our counting. We did want it to be on Tuesday, which is actually 100. So you will be seeing our 100th live Tuesday morning at 11 a.m. and yes, I really hope that you guys can join our celebration that day. This one is a completely different kind of work, and it's been hiding right here, but here it is. Look at this work, look at this detailing, all of that. It's a dual shade one with lots of Meena figure designs in it, and I think these are also 15,800 range. But look at that here, look at the color. So this is a two-tone shade. You can just wear it like this. Yes. So yes, lots of questions to ask. What are you planning for the 100th live? Yes, and I know lots of you guys have requested for discounts, but guys, we just ended with our sale right last month. So I do hope that you will enjoy all the small bits that we're going to be doing on that day, but no discounts. So yes, I want to say that up in front. Lots of requests, and guys, for the sale time to come and the discount to come, you'll have to wait for next year. You guys know that, right? Twice a year Neve goes at sale, and that's it. So you'll have to wait a bit for that, because right now the season starts for the weddings, for everything else, and there's so many beautiful collections that we have lined up for you. Look at this. There's two shades in this design, and you'll see the pasting being done here. It looks super nice. 15,800 for these pieces. I hope I'm getting the price right. There are lots of these pieces, so sometimes there may be a mix up, but most of the time 90% of the time it's bang on. So here it is. This one is 15,800 in this beautiful color. We have 3 shades of pink, and I think that's going to be the last pieces that we have. Let me just check. I have lots of pieces here, so I don't know, kind of miss anything that I was supposed to be showing you. Here, this is it's again a dual shade. You'll see a touch of pink, you'll see a touch of purple right here, and here it is. So this is all, bright with its Meena, lots of colors because of that, and it's incredible. It really looks nice. It adds that zing to the color. 15,800 for these beautiful pieces. Here is this one as well. I think there's this one. Yes, this is also a peach, and is it an orange? It's a shade of pink. I think it's an orange. Guys, I'll show you the picture. So you can DM us for the pictures. We'll share it with you if we have it. But yes, this is the color. This is a two-tone color. Sometimes, I see so many colors in a live. At the end of it, it's like, you're like blinded by the colors. But it's a beautiful piece, 2 shade colors. And this is all with Meena. Thank you so much, guys. This is the 99th live, and for anybody who's joined in, anybody who's here, we have these 2 pieces. Okay, we have 3 pieces. I'm going to show you these 3 more pieces. This is the 99th live, and you guys have to be there for our 100th live, which is on Tuesday at 11 a.m. We are very excited about it, and I do hope that you guys can join in. Here it is. So this is a big leap one, right? The 2-digit one. After this, we're on 3 digits, and I have to say it's only because of you guys that it has been possible, that we've been able to do that. This is from our 22,000 range, the Bindu collection, all of those big bold designs right here. So look at this. This is a pink. Here it is, all ready to be shipped out. Lots of zari in this. That's the specialty about these pieces, that you'll see lots of zari. And there is one red, and then there is one peach color, which is also coming up. Look at this. This is a very deep, almost, It's a deep red color, incredible in its look with this ambi. Here it is. Falls very beautifully. You can wear it in many different ways. Look at that. That's the look, or that's what it is all about. And this is the last piece for today, guys. This is the last piece, and look at this beautiful colors here, right here, and it's a shade of peach. You'll see a touch of orange coming, and this. It's beautiful. It's easy to use. 22,800 for these incredible Banarsi Bandhni pieces. Guys, thank you as always for joining in. I know you guys have joined at all kind of hours, and this is very late night for some, and it's busy morning for many of you in India. But thank you guys so much for joining in, and we really look forward to you guys joining in our next live, which is the 100th live. But for now, all of these colors and all of these beauty, I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys, and good night to many of you outside India, and have a good day for everyone in India. It's a weekend, it's a long weekend, so you can see this video now, you can see it in your good time. But yes, every single piece is a limited piece, and hope you guys get the ones that you like. Thank you. Bye bye.